Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So already in my videos of USD and gold, I have mentioned about the formation of bullish flag on the chart of DXY. Yesterday, we expected the market to break the support of 103 and head towards the next support of 102.5060. Our expectation worked perfectly as market formed a lower high last time. Market broke the support, bounced from the support of 102.5060 and now going up. But in the morning, I observed that market has formed a bullish flag, and bullish flag is a trend continuation pattern. And right now we can also see that market is trying to go higher. Okay, market is already trading above the flag. So in the next few hours, we may see the trend continuation or further upside on the chart of DXY as well. But for any breakout or breakdown, we need a news. So today we don't have the news yet. The next big news on the chart on Forex is the CPI that is coming on 14th Feb. Okay. Before that, we don't have any big news yet, but still market may try to continue the uptrend. So please be careful. In case market comes down also, okay, keep in mind the support of 102.50, 102.60 is still valid. Okay. So let's have a look at the chart of GBPUSD right now. So for the last couple of days, we have been talking about the resistance level of 1.2190 to 1.2170. Okay, and surprisingly, the level worked perfectly. After these big, massive green candles, we saw a perfect reversal from 1.2190 level. Okay, so it was a pure reversal, and hopefully you all made some money too. Okay, so right now we have got two levels on the chart of GBPUSD that are trustworthy. Okay, see, all the charts have many levels, but keep in mind all the levels do not deserve the same amount of attention. Few levels are good, few levels are weak, so it works like that only. So first of all, I would like to mention about the resistance. So the resistance of 1.2190, 1.2170, okay, is still very much valid. In case during the day market tries to recover also, market will face some resistance around this area again. And if you see market is showing price rejection from above, if you see market reversing, if you see market forming a bearish engulfing pattern, you can go for a sell position again around 1.2190 level. Clear? On the other hand, the support levels that I have been mentioning for the last 10 days are still very much valid. First of all, the support of 1.1967 to 1.1944 is still a valid support. If market shows a big drop, big sale also, we can expect GBPUSD to take support around this particular level here. If market takes support and bounces, you can go for a buy position. And the strongest support on the chart of GBPUSD is around 1.1850 These three are the reliable levels on the chart of GBPUSD. And for day trading purpose, we have a minor support around 1.2057 to 1.2050. This is a weak support. During the day, if market comes, observe the market around this area. Okay. If market takes support and bounces, then only go for a buy position. At least you can expect a profit of 25 to 30 pip. But if the market volatility remain like this, then obviously market will break it. Be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, my dear friends, keep in mind, I'm also a trader like you. No trader is 100% accurate. So observe the levels. Okay, observe how the market reacts around these levels, then only take the decision. Once you see market is standing at a particular, do not trade blindly. Okay, otherwise you will lose your whole capital. Yesterday I saw a guy blaming me for blowing his account. He took a sell position. Yes, I mentioned that we have a minor resistance, and he took a sell position in this particular level. My dear friends, if you take a sell position after having a candle like this, then this is not my fault. Keep in mind, trading and common sense go hand in hand. Okay, trading and common sense, okay, they are very much important. Okay, you cannot trade blindly. Otherwise, people from all over the world would quit their jobs and start trading. Trading is not that simple. Okay. So again, I'm repeating, keep in mind, this is a good resistance, this is a good support, and this is a good support. If market comes and bounces, you can go for a buy position, but no level is permanent. If you see market breaking the support, okay, so then do you think that you should go for a buy position? No, that will be suicidal. Okay, so if market takes support, then only go for a buy. If market reverses, then only go for a sell. Okay, I can just tell you the level, I cannot guarantee you. Okay, and again, I'm repeating, this is a weak support. If market takes support, if you see market taking support, if you see market forming a hammer pattern, if you see market forming a bullish engulfing pattern, if you see market forming a bullish harami pattern, then only go for a buy position. At least wait for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and just see how the market is reacting. Okay, keep in mind, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, but you are the master of your own capital, so it's your responsibility to protect it. So bye bye, take care.